In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Vimeo video link. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and a few helpful tips to make sharing quick and reliable. First, head to Vimeo in your web browser. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign in so you can access your content. This walkthrough is based on the Vimeo website on desktop, but the general flow is similar on mobile browsers as well. Next, navigate to your library. You'll find it in the main navigation once you're logged in. Your library is where all your uploaded and managed videos live, so it's the fastest place to find the file you want to share. Scroll through your videos or use search to locate the one you need. When you see it, click the thumbnail or title to open the videos page. With the video page open, look to the upper right corner for the Share button. Depending on your layout, it may be labeled Share or show a paper airplane icon. Click it to open the Share settings. This panel is designed to give you several options, but we're keeping it simple. You'll see a direct link field and a button to copy it. Click Copy Link. Vimeo will confirm that the link has been copied to your clipboard, so you don't need to highlight anything manually. That's the core action done. From here, you can paste the link wherever you need. In an email, a chat message, a project management task, or a calendar invite. If you're sending it to a group, it can help to include a brief note about what the video contains and why you're sharing it, so your recipients know what to expect. A quick heads up about access. The ability for others to view your video depends on its existing privacy settings. If your video is set to private or requires a password, recipients may need the appropriate permission to watch it. The link itself is correct, but viewers must meet whatever access rules you've already configured for that video. If the copy link button doesn't seem to work in your browser, it can be a clipboard permission issue. A simple workaround is to click inside the link field, select the entire URL, and copy it using your normal keyboard shortcut. Then paste it into your message as usual. And that's it. Go to Vimeo, open your library, choose the video, click Share, and hit Copy Link. You're done, and your video is ready to send. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.